All right, everyone, a quick update on Turbo here. So Turbo's trying to break out here. We got over that first resistance at 6.0. The next big price to watch, if it's going to continue to be bullish here, in my opinion, it's not based on anything but the previous high here, and the market structure is about a 22.5% move. Once we break over this red line here at 0078, you're going to end up breaking the structure here that, of course, forms this bull flag pattern, and that's pretty much going to tell you that it is coming up to that 8.7 level here. So once we get over 7.8, 8.7 should be up next, and it's just let me measure that really quick. So if we continue this move with this nice candle that spawned in here on the weekly chart, we may come all the way up to that 1,272.87 first big resistance and move up about 39% from where we are right now off of the large move we already have here. So it looks like it's trying to break out here. As long as you're over 6.0, there could be a chance of that happening here, as we've seen in the past with those breakouts. Now, if we go all the way down to the 6-hour candles here, the 6-hour candles have already closed above that 6.0 level here. So we really want these larger candles to follow suit, and we want these closes to all be over that level here, especially on the more macro charts, the 3-day and the weekly here, which do have some time left. So we will see what happens. But if the price continues to move and you break this red line here, even with a wick, that's going to break the market structure here. And at that point, you can be bullish to push up to these higher targets. And hopefully we're getting Turbo here out of this bull flag pattern to come all the way up and hit that $1 billion market cap finally, and come up to the 1414 at 1 penny and a half, a 140% move here. And that would give you that $1 billion market cap, of course, as I already said. But just be careful when this thing does hit that penny and a half, this round number here, and that $1 billion market cap. You're probably going to have a lot of people taking profit at this level here. So just be aware of that. Once we hit 1 billion, a lot of people are going to sell off. So maybe the price will come right back down, so you guys don't get left holding everyone's bags here. So with that being said, repeating history as we always go over, you can see the symmetrical triangle, decent move. The falling wedge had a nice run up here, and then now we've been watching this very large bull flag pattern here, and we've been just kind of hoping and waiting for these levels to get broken back through, which is occurring right now, and we'll see if this thing can have that large move to the upside here. Now, as for all that being said, how high is Turbo going to go this cycle? We do have a couple of targets here. Of course, the 1 billion we went over, and then we have the 3 penny 1618 up to the 2.2 billion market cap. Is going to give you about a 5x from where you are today in price with this potential breakout. And then my target here is once we break over that 1618 at 3, we do have the target of the 2272 at 41, a $26 billion market cap, and a very decent 65.5x on your investment here. And of course, we only have the 5 billion on the chart is because back in the day, a lot of people were saying Turbo's going to 5 billion, so I just threw it up on the chart. That would take you to 8 pennies and give you about a 12.5x on your investment from now, if this is the breakout we're looking for. So with all that said, none of this is financial advice. Good luck, everyone, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.